seasons come and then they go, but water still remain. No matter the rain or sun, the fall hurts us both the same. The bigger storm ahead, tears on the bed. Do we try to work it through? Maybe it's best if I do me and you do you. But look at my love, this is the way I feel tonight. And are we all done, or is it just the start?